Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Audison and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around the Toyota GR Yaris that we've upgraded with a front and rear dash camera solution that also records while the vehicle is parked, but also full live upload right up into the cloud, so you have access to the data whenever you want it. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So the customers coming to us looking for a load of different upgrades, and we've carried out a load of installs onto the vehicle. So not only have we upgraded the security on the vehicle, but what we've also done is actually added in the dash camera solution. That's what today's video is all about. So the dash camera solution, what is it and why would you have something like this installed onto your car? It's basically called the BlackVue DR900X. Basically, we've added on a couple of extras onto that system. So it's a front and rear dash camera solution that also has what's called a CM100LTE system added to it as well, plus the B124X battery system. In essence, basically what you get is a load of parking mode recording that has zero draw on your vehicle's battery. So full specs for all of the products will be in the description below, guys, so make sure you go check that out. They're all live on the BlackVue website. But a really nice solution. You've got an immense high quality front dash camera protecting the vehicle while on the road driving, but also while vehicles actually parked, using the battery solution. In essence, basically feeds are picked up from the vehicle going into the battery, and that's how the dash camera gets its power. In essence, the battery is hidden away. The dash cameras are mounted in a very discreet manner. You've got like a tube style looking on the BlackVue DR900X battery, and then same again on the rear. Really small rear dash camera, very inobtrusive, and the front camera is pretty much hidden behind the factory mirror on this install. There's no cables hanging around, everything's gone into fuse box, plus obviously the battery system is installed in such a way where it's completely hidden away, plus obviously providing you guys on the road and while parked with that safe way of actually recording and protecting the vehicle while parked for supermarkets, while it's on your driveway, wherever you're parking your vehicle, you know your vehicle is protected. Not only that, the LTE system is basically as an add-on system to this camera system. What it actually allows us to be able to do, what it allows the user to be able to do, is full live upload at all times whenever they want to basically live upload directly to the cloud, so they've got all the footage live directly there, so they can also see where warnings, where people are kind of motion detection around the vehicle, but also any incidences. You can get notifications live directly onto your mobile phone instantaneously. It's a really nice solution. It's bringing in a load of different technology to allow the system to work. However, all the manuals are always provided back whenever we're doing an install like this, and also a bit of technical guidance on what actually is involved in doing this and the setup procedure to get your camera set up for you. We are a BlackVue authorized installer here in Cambridge, and that's why people travel all over the country to us to have installations carried out like this, because they first of all know the installation is going to be done to the highest possible standard, but also that the install of the product is also to the highest possible standard as well. So thank you very much for watching our short video on the BlackVue install on the GR Yaris. If you are new to our channel, haven't seen us before, make sure you've hit that subscribe button. But also, guys, please don't forget, we also have the 10K giveaway where there's loads of awesome prizes available for you guys as soon as we get to 10K. So help us get there by hitting that subscribe button, but also share with friends and family to make sure their vehicles are also protected while on the road, but also parked up as well. But thank you very much for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.